this video, we will show you how to create simple graph on Microsoft Excel. To create simple graph on Microsoft Excel, we need to use element called chart. You can insert chart or graph in here. In the Insert tab, please select column you want. This is for style. Let's see, we are using this clustered column. And then you can fill with data by right-clicking on your chart area and then select the data here. For example, we will using this as data, or for easily we cancel first. For example, this is for data. You can also using in other sheets. For example, in this sheet, if you don't want to using this showing with the chart, we can make this as data. Then you can right click and choose select data here, and then you can select this and click OK. Now, for example, let's fill with some text or title here. This is bar 1, this is bar 2. Okay, if this is too much, you can also delete this. This is for values, for example. Okay, you can fill this with values you want, of course, but to make this eye-catching, you can make this center like this. Okay, for example, the chart is like this. You can also make this is bigger like this, and then you can click this to showing another label. For example, axis titles. This is for your chart titles. You can change this title, for example. And this is you can also change. You can also change this. For example, category. And like I say before, you can also make the chart is different sheet for the values. For example, let's create another chart using the 3D column, for example, and then you can right click and choose select data. You can select this sheet. For example, let's using the 2 until 8 in here and click OK. You can make 2 until 8 color for easier to understand in here. For example, data 1, data 2, bar 1, bar 2, like this, for example. and you can fill with you want. This is just an option to hide the values if you want to showing only chart on your presentation or your active sheet. Voila, you can see there. You can also this is showing the title chart example, and you can choose this, and this is for sample graph or chart using different methods. One is values on the active sheet, and the second the values in other sheet in like this. Okay, hope this video helpful for you. Thanks for watching.